Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now, power down the PS5 and unpair the Joy-Con-style controller. If applicable, then remove all screws and adhesive. Once done, pry the shell gently with a plastic tool and lift the PCB. Make sure to photograph connector positions as you go. You'll expose the analog module quickly. Avoid touching exposed pads. Keep screws organized by location. This initial access minimizes risk and sets you up to fix drift without reassembly errors later. You'll tackle the core cause, contamination or worn contacts. First, remove the analog stick module gently from the board, then clean around the pot with high-concentration isopropyl and a rotating motion to dislodge particles. If cleaning doesn't restore reliable centering, desolder the old module and install a replacement. Make sure pins align and solder joints are solid. Once the module is secure, test continuity and stick resistance before closing the shell to confirm drift is resolved. You finish by reversing your disassembly steps. Reconnect flex cables, seat the PCB, and torque screws evenly. Make sure nothing is pinched. Power on the console and perform a dead zone calibration in controller settings to recenter sensors. If you still see drift, don't panic. Repeat the cleaning process, inspect solder joints, or try a different replacement module to isolate the fault. If problems continue, consider professional repair. This verifies whether the issue is board level or component level before further expense.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.